Hey everyone, got my hands on this HP 14-inch ultralight laptop, and I wanted to share my thoughts. It's marketed towards students and business users, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions? It's super sleek and lightweight, definitely lives up to the ultralight claim. Perfect for tossing in a backpack and running to class or a meeting. Now, the screen is a 14-inch HD display. It's not 4K or anything fancy, but it's bright and clear enough for everyday tasks like browsing, writing papers, or streaming videos. The micro edge bezel is a nice touch, giving you more screen real estate. Under the hood, we've got an Intel Celeron N4120 processor. Okay, so it's not the most powerful processor out there, but for general productivity, it gets the job done. We're talking web browsing, word processing, light multitasking, that kind of thing. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM, which is pretty generous for a laptop in this price range. This means you can have multiple tabs open and switch between applications without too much lag. Storage is where things get a little interesting. It comes with 64 GB of eMMC storage, which is fast but not very spacious. They've supplemented this with a 128 GB micro SD card. Honestly, that's a bit of a workaround, but it does give you more space. Just something to keep in mind if you plan on storing a lot of files locally. The port selection is decent. You get a USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, and a headphone jack. So pretty much everything you need for connecting peripherals. One thing I really appreciate is the inclusion of a full-size SD card slot. Super convenient for transferring photos or videos. It comes with Windows 11 in S mode. Now, S mode is designed for security and performance, but it limits you to apps from the Microsoft Store. The good news is you can easily switch out of S mode if you need to install other programs. They even provide instructions on how to do it, which is helpful. Overall, this HP 14-inch laptop is a solid budget-friendly option for students or anyone who needs a portable machine for basic tasks. It's not a powerhouse, but it's lightweight, has a decent amount of RAM, and offers good connectivity. The storage situation is a little quirky, but manageable. If you're looking for a simple, affordable laptop for everyday use, this one is definitely worth considering. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.